Did you know that you don't get fit from working out? Yeah, no, that's correct. You don't get fit from working out. You get fit from recovering from working out. And if you think that that's intuitive, I invite you to consider all of the people who are working out all the time and are not necessarily healthy. They're super fit, they're jacked, they're ripped, but they have a knee problem, they have a shoulder problem, and this feels stiff all the time. Yeah, let's take a look at why. This dotted line is your capacity. It basically means how much can you take. These boxes down here are all the things that add up as loads on your body that you have to recover from. Examples are injuries that you've had, the stress that you deal with, the poor diet that you might deal with, the poor sleep that you might deal with, and then any physical activity on top of that. And as those boxes stack up, once it crosses this line, you're gonna have a problem. So the name of the game to getting fitter and healthier is stay below this line and raise your capacity by recovering more completely than you ever exhaust yourself. Let's take a look. If this dotted line represents our current capacity, and these blue X's are workout events. So these are exercises that you go and do. This is a workout session in the gym. We can either be building up, we want our capacities to increase, that's the purpose of training, or we can be breaking down, that's getting in worse shape, that's the opposite of training. Red means that we have just broken ourselves down. Green means that we are recovering. Here's a workout event. As soon as you're finished with a workout, you're immediately in worse shape. Have you ever thought of that? You are in worse shape as soon as you finish a workout. And if you don't believe me, I invite you to go turn around and finish that exact same workout again to the exact same degree of intensity. You'll find that you can't. The reason is because you are physically and physiologically trashed. You're in worse shape. That's why we exercise, to intentionally stress ourselves, to be able to build back more completely than we worked out and raise that line. So if we work out on a Monday, we're under recovered. If Tuesday or Wednesday comes around and we've only partially recovered before we do that workout, well, we start our next cycle of we're now in worse shape from that workout. If we partially recover before the next workout and then we complete that workout again, we're going to continue to drop. And as you can see, this trend does not look like what we want to have happen from training. We want the opposite. What we need to make sure we're doing is hitting this workout event, and then before our next workout, especially of a similar sort, that we are recovering more completely than we worked out, so that by the time the next workout comes around, we actually can achieve that same stimulus with a higher baseline capacity to handle a similar situation, so that when we do the next workout, we fall, we super recover, we fall, we super recover, and we end up with a trend towards a capacity that's much more favorable than what we would otherwise be doing if we were consistently under recovered. If your stress response is out of your control, if your sleep is poor and inadequate, if your nutrition and your hydration is poor and inadequate, you should not expect to continue to get more fit from working out. You should continue to be more and more trashed from doing all of your workouts. Working out is an extraordinary amount of stress depending on how you do it. If you are consistently working out more than you're recovering from working out, I'm sorry to break it to you, but you're not getting more fit and you're certainly not getting more healthy.